Hello everyone. In today's video, I will be showing you the top 3 things you need to do. These are the top 3 most important things you need to do to analyze a best prediction and win about 90% winning chance. And this is something that I've been doing, but it has been working. If I don't have any good prediction app at my disposal on that very day, this is the only strategy that I use to win bet very easy. So you need to take time, watch this video from start to finish to get the whole idea. I'll be giving out the leagues that you need to pick this strategy from, and also how you can do it perfectly without using any third-party analysis app. You just need only your bookie or sporty 1xbet, nbet, bet Niger, whatever you used. Just use their website to predict this game, but in this video I will be using the sporty bet, as you can see. Good. All right, so I will be starting with the leagues straight for. Before I continue, let's look at my yesterday VIP prediction. So I predicted the first game, which is Aba versus another one with the 4 odds. Then I later find out a good source for correct score yesterday. So this was the game, Calcio Vecano versus Bonaventure, predictions to be 1-0 full time, and the odds is there. Now let's go straight to my VIP group. Yeah, so if you get to the VIP group right here, you see everything. But before that, look at my status over here. I posted it. I said correct score posted in the video group. Sorry, I wanted to write what? The VIP group. Now we move on. Later in the evening, this was the time I posted. Later in the evening, I posted congratulations, and you can see right here. This was it. You can see the game was posted right in the VIP group right here, and in the evening it went down to be successful. So congratulations to all the VIP members again. This is day 2 of the VIP, and we won all. Day 1 we won, day 2 we won. Like I always said, the earlier the better. To join the VIP group is very simple. As I always said, to join the VIP group is very simple. The only thing you need to do is to go below my video. Okay, just go down to my video, any of my videos, or the particular one that you are watching. Scroll down. Once you click on the video, for example, if you click on I choose which way the chart will go. When you click on the video like this, you see where they wrote that more. See where the more is. Yeah, some of you have been asking this question. Click on the more. You click on the more again. Now you see this is my WhatsApp number. You can WhatsApp me directly to give you guide. But you can see here, this is September VIP, and this is the general VIP group. Yeah, so you can click on this one right here, September VIP. It will take you to here to pay and join the VIP group. But if you wanted to join the general VIP group, you can click on this one as well. It will take you to another page, the same thing, and ask you to buy, as you can see. So it's the same thing, the price is the same. So you can click on any of them to join the VIP group. Now see you all in the next video. Straightforward. Now these are the top 3 leagues that you can use in this particular analysis that I'm going to teach you. The first one is Turkey, but unfortunately today, as I'm recording this video, Turkey is not available, but Turkey as number 1. The second one is Netherlands, Array Device, which is not also here. But the last one is Finland, which is not also here. But I'll be showing you something good instead and do another video to give you detailed explanation. All right, so let's get started with the prediction. So first thing first, when you get to Turkey, which is not here, but I will be using Norway as an example. All right, so when you get to Norway, this is the first thing first you need to do. Click on the game. Now, the first thing you should do is to come to where they said statistics. Click on it. Once you click on the statistics, so once you click on the statistics right here, it will take you to the last 5 matches they've played. But unfortunately, as you can see, this game they only meet once, so we need to look for another game. So click on this one, go to their statistics. Please note this thing work 100%. Okay, now look at their prediction. Look at their prediction in 2007. So let's take it from 2023, which is closed. Lice room win, draw, lice room win again at away, and today lice room is at home. That give you 100% feel that home team supposed to win. But looking at the goal they've been scoring, that give you a chance to play over 2.5. Now the next thing you should do is to go to the market, go to all, and check for over and under. Once you got that, you know that, oh, okay, you can see it give you a chance to play over 2.5. That is what I said. And if you come here, you can see that over 2.5 is not available. So to be on the safer side, we just need to go to straight winning. You see, as simple as that. Now go to the second game. Use the same strategies, same strategy. Look at it over here. Vibrant one, and they play draw in all their last matches. So to be a successful, you just need to go to vibrant, win, or draw without using any third party app. But here, look at the odds is very tiny, but we are still going to select it for a reason. We'll be coming to an end very soon. Now we found what, two good games which give us a total of 2 odds. Now if someone is looking for 2 odd, this is the best time to stick without waiting for anything. But as for me, I always look for 5 odds and above, and the match supposed to be less than 5 or never more than 5. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do is to go to the tops league over here. Then I'll go to el trophy. And the first thing first, I just need to select some random games from here and use my statistics on it. Now looking at them over here, they're always good with over 1.5 prediction, because draw, only Blackpool win. And then if I go to their table to see goals, you can see they are still in their group league, so they don't have enough data for me to get what I want. So to be on the safer side for this match is just over 1.5, but I'm not ready to play it. Now let me go to the next one. Now someone asks, why is it that I said I'm not ready to play it? Considering the strategy that I have been using, you can see that the minimum is over 1.5, over 1.5, over 1.5, and over 1.5 here as well. It is only here that they score more than over 1.5, but considering their current state, they still play the over 1.5 exactly. So the match can end less than over 1.5 goal. That is why I said that. Now let's go to the other one. Look at it over here. The Costa away, Costa draw. These are not reliable matches. Okay, these matches are not reliable. We want at least 4 games, a sector win, a sector win, a sector win. It was only back in 2020 that, and they did not play any match in 2024 to give you that hope. But since a setter is at our home, that is giving us a few hope that it might win. So let's go for win or draw for a setter. It is as simple as that. We have Fleetwood versus Aston Villa and that 2021. We know Fleetwood Town is a very scoring thing, but let's look at it over here. They made in 2020 way back, and if you go to the lineup, not available, the table, where is Fleetwood at the bottom? They've never played any game yet. This is their first match, so I don't think it is good for us to predict match on their first match. So let's scroll down a little bit. Let's go to Germany. Let's leave it. Mexico is there. Netherlands. For Netherlands, they are also good in what they do. Reset. Then we go back to Netherlands and apply for it. There is no match available for Netherlands right now. We have Brazil, but Brazil match always end very lately. So I will not advise we go for that as well. So if we can get Denmark, yes, we have Denmark. Good. So with Denmark, let's go with some big odds prediction right here. Leicester. It was back in 2023 that they've won. Looking at their score, over 1.5 is guaranteed, but let's leave it because look at it. Let's go with this one. Statistics. I'm sure the Legban is a great team. Legban. Yes, it has been winning from day one once I see it. So this one, we just need to pick away, straightforward. We now have 3 good odds. So let's look for something at the end of the table. Over 1.5 is actually secured for this game. But looking at the odd, I decided not to go with it. Then we have another one here. Yeah, so we have another one good one here. Let's refresh. Where is it? Here we go. So we go to the statistics, check comment. Yeah, so looking at the statistics over here, Asheson is a great team to win. Even in the last match they played was in 2021. So that this game look very risky to go with. Well, looking at away win or draw is something good, but the odd is not good. But still, we will choose that. And at the end of the 5 matches, we have a total of 4.13 odd, which is really good to go with. Now, what is the moral lesson of this particular video? Now, one thing you need to take note is the trick actually work for these 3 things. Just that these teams are not available, I decided to give you an example of how it works because I already write script to make this video today. The first one is Turkey League. The Turkey League over 1.5. Then we have Finland first half time over 0.5. Then we have Spain, just Spain as a whole. Just Spain, all Spain games. We go for corner. 7.5. Yeah, so I think I'll be making a full video on how to go with this in my next video. So if you ever want the full video with detailed explanation, let me know in the comment section. Okay, let me know in the comment section.